Good morning, one and all. Unit 2, Principles of Quantum Mechanics, Schrödinger's time independent equation. In Schrödinger's time independent wave equation, del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v into psi is equal to 0. That is called Schrödinger's time independent wave equation, where del is a Laplacian mathematical operator, m is a mass of the electron, h is a Planck's constant, and E is called energy, V is a potential energy, psi is called wave function. So, my dear students, in de Broglie idea of matter waves, Schrödinger developed a mathematical equation which was important as Newton's law of motion in classical mechanics. It can be derived as follows. According to Louis de Broglie, for a particle of mass m moving with velocity v, then de Broglie wavelength lambda is equal to h by mv, that is equal to h by p. So lambda is equal to h by p, then p is equal to h by lambda. So, my dear students, so this is called mass of the particle. The mass of the particle, it moves from one place to another place. The moving velocity is v, and momentum of the particle is fp is equal to mv. So, the moving particle is associated with a wave, it's a de Broglie wave, and according to psi of xt, the wave function psi of xt is equal to a is a wave amplitude e power I kx minus omega t. It is equation 1. So where k is called wave vector, omega is a wave velocity. So in the above equation 1, differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, dou psi by dou x is equal to dou by dou x of a e power I kx minus omega t. My dear students, the partial derivative with respect to x, a e power I kx minus omega t, a is called the total amplitude of the wave. It's a constant removed from the differentiation. A d by dx of the value, the total differentiation. So, ik into e ikx minus omega t. Because of the differentiation with respect to x terms only derivative remaining is constants. Aik e power ikx minus omega t, that is dou psi by dou x. Again the derivation, again and derivative dou square psi by dou x square is equal that is I square k square a e power I kx minus omega t. My dear students, a e power I kx minus omega t is a term of psi is equal to I square k square called d square psi by dx square, isn't it? So, dou square psi by dou x square is equal to I square k square psi. Here I is the imaginary value, that means I square is equal to minus 1. Then k is called the wave function 2 pi by lambda. So, dou square psi by dou x square is equal to minus I square place substitute minus 1 into k square psi. So, my dear students, the negative terms LHS to RHS to LHS, it is transfer the values dou square psi by dou x square plus k square psi is equal to 0. So where k is called 2 pi by lambda, it implies k square is equal 4 pi square by lambda square. Therefore, dou square psi by dou x square plus 4 pi square by lambda square into psi is equal to 0. So, where de Broglie's hypothesis, lambda is equal to h by mv and lambda square is equal to h square by m square v square. The place of lambda square substitute h square by m square v square. Therefore, dou square psi by dou x square plus 4 pi square by m square v square. Substitution the value, that means lambda square is h square by m square v square into psi is equal to 0. It can be written as dou square psi by dou x square plus 4 pi square by h square. M square v square is transpose the value, that is m square v square into psi is equal to 0. So, my dear students, dou square psi by dou x square plus 4 pi square by h square m square v square psi is equal to 0. So, the moving particle is associated with a wave, the de Broglie's wave. The moving particle energy is kinetic energy of m v square is equal to potential energy. The potential energy is E minus V. That means m v square is equal to 2 into E minus V. Then both sides it multiply the mass of the particle. M cancel, there is no change of the equation. That is m square v square is equal to 2m into E minus V. So, my dear students, momentum P is equal to mv, corresponding P square is equal to m square v square. So, the place of here m square v square place substitute P square, or the value of m square v square value substitute the equation here. Therefore, dou square psi by dou x square plus 4 pi square by h square 2m into E minus V into psi is equal to 0. So, 4 into 2 is 8, that means dou square psi by dou x square plus 8 pi square m by h square E minus V into psi is equal to 0. So, this equation represents as the one-dimensional Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. So, the Schrodinger's time independent wave equation for the three-dimensional, like three-dimensional is, for example, dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square E minus V into psi is equal to 0. That is known as three-dimensional Schrodinger's wave equation. Instead of this place, substitute del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square into E minus V into psi is equal to 0, or it can be written as del square psi plus 2m by h cut square into E minus V into psi is equal to 0, where h cut is equal to h by 2 pi and corresponding h cut square is equal to h square by 4 pi square. So, this equation is known as Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. Where del is a mathematical operator, del is called mathematical operator. I dou by dou x of plus j dou by dou y plus k dou by dou z. It is a mathematical operator. So, del dot del is equal to del square I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. Then it corresponding del square psi, it means same product it is implemented, and it is called dou square psi by dou x square plus dou square psi by dou y square plus dou square psi by dou z square plus 8 pi square m by h square e minus v is equal to 0. This is called Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. My dear students, it is very, very important in your examination point of view, asking it several times. Another important topic is particle in a one-dimensional potential box. An electron of mass m. My dear students, here it is called x is equal to a. This is a and b, two rigid walls. A is one rigid wall, B is called another rigid wall. That limits is x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. X is equal to a. Then psi of a is x is equal to 0. So m mass of the particle freely it move from the one place to another place within the rigid walls of A and B. Here free particle is V is equal to 0. In particularly one-dimensional potential box or potential well, an electron of mass m in a infinity deep in potential box, as shown in the figure, let small a be the width of the box along axis. An electron is confined within the walls of the box and moves along it. The width is x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. X is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. The electron will not stay near the walls and it gets reflected at the wells. The probability of finding the electron outside the walls and at the walls is 0. The potential of the electron is constant everywhere in the box and hence taken as V is equal to 0. So V is equal to 0 means it is a free particle, and according to Schrodinger's time independent equation, del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square E minus V into psi is equal to 0. But here V is equal to 0, that means the free particle tends to move from within the rigid walls of A and B. So the place of V substitute 0, V is equal to 0. The corresponding del square psi plus 8 pi square m by h square E psi is equal to 0. E psi is equal to 0. So my dear students, the place of here it is a constant value. The constant place substitute another constant del square psi plus like k square psi is equal to 0. K square is equal to 0, where k square is equal to 8 pi square m e by h square, some constant value. So my dear students, it is the equation 1. For example, del square psi plus k square psi is equal to 0. It is a one-dimensional homogeneous differential equation. Solve for the x, solve for y. For example, it is the value of b square plus 2 square into x is equal to 0. The solve for x, one-dimensional homogeneous equation. Solve for the complementary function and particular integrals. Psi of x is equal to the solution of the above equation. Psi of x is equal to a sin kx minus a sin kx plus b cos kx, isn't it? But here the rigid walls is AB is the two rigid walls. There is one end is called A, another end is called B. Let x is equal to 0 to x is equal to A, x is equal to 0 to infinity, x is equal to A to infinity. The free particle tends to move from one place to another place. Then V is equal to 0 free particle. The first boundary condition, 1 + first boundary condition 1, psi of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. Psi of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to 0. And second boundary condition, psi of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to a. The first boundary condition, apply the above equation. Psi of x place substitute 0, 0 is equal, the place of substitute psi of x is equal to 0, a sin k, x place substitute 0 plus b cos k0, right? Sin 0 is 0, the total term is 0, cos 0 is 1, that means b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0, isn't it? So b is equal to 0 value, substitute the equation here, then psi of x is equal to a sin kx plus the b place substitute 0, the total term is 0, right? So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So in equation 2, it applies the second boundary condition, psi of x is equal to 0 at x is equal to a, then 0 is equal to a sin ka, a sin ka. My dear students, a sin k is equal to 0, either a is equal to 0, either sin k is equal to 0, k is 0, k is equal to sin inverse of 0. When you k is equal to 0, k is equal plus or minus n pi. Because of sin 0 is 0, n is equal to 0 substitution, sin 1 is equal substitution, sin 180 degrees is 0, and so on the values. K is equal plus or minus n pi, then k is equal plus or minus n pi by a. Then k square is equal to n square pi square by a square, n square pi square by a square. So here the k value is 8 pi square m e by h square. Here k value is n square pi square by a square. Both values of n square value and k square must be equal. So that is k square is equal to k square 8 pi square m e by h square is equal to n square pi square by a square, n square a square. In both sides pi square get cancelled, then E is equal to n square h square by 8m a square, 8m a square. So this is called Huygens energy. Huygens energy. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on values, isn't it? So my dear students, for example, so E1 is equal to h square by 8m a square, that is equal to E1. So n is equal to substitute 2 is equal to like 4h square by 8m a square, that is called 4E1, and E3 9h square by 8m a square, that is 9E1, and E is equal to n is equal to 4, then 16h square by 8m a square, that is called 16E1. So the energy level diagram is as shown in the figure. So energy E and x value. So n is equal to 1 substitution, that is called E1. N is equal to 2 substitute, that is called 4E1. N is equal to 3 substitute, that is 9E1. N is equal to 4 substitute, 16E1, and so on values. So these are the Huygens energy values. Then we'll calculate the eigenfunctions. And before this, here psi of x is equal to a sin kx. My dear students, the eigenfunction says psi of x is equal to a sin ka. But ka is here the value of n pi by a. So k is equal to n pi by a. Psi of x is equal to a sin n pi by a into x. In according to normalized condition, integral 0 to a, because of the limit is goes to x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a. So the limitation goes to the x is equal to 0 to a. Mod psi squared dx is equal to 1. That is integral 0 to a mod a sin square n pi by a into x dx is equal to 1. So it is simplification. It is mathematically then is called a is equal to root 2 by a. A is equal to root 2 by a. It is a simplify is a mathematical equations. So in the place of a substitute root 2 by a. Therefore psi of x is equal to root 2 by a sin n pi by a into x. My dear students, here two conditions is exhibit eigenwave functions and the probability functions. Eigenwave functions and probability functions, like the normalized wave function says psi 1x is equal to root 2 by a sin pi by a into x. That means n is equal to 1 substitution. Psi 2x is equal to root 2 by a sin 2 pi by a into x. Psi 3x is equal to root 2 by a sin 3 pi by a into x, and so on the values. Like mod psi 1 square is equal to 2 by a sin square n pi by a into x. The place of 1 substitute, n is equal to 1 value. Mod psi 2 square is equal to 2 by a sin square 2 pi by a into x. Mod psi 3 square is equal to 2 by a sin square 3 pi by a into x. And corresponding eigenwave function values is, so E1, E2, E3. So that is called the normal, that is a probability wave function says, that is called mod psi 1, no, sorry, it is called psi 1x, psi 1 value, and another one is psi 2 value, another is psi 3 value. Psi 1 is, it represents psi 1x is equal to a, that means the a value is called root 2 by a or root 2 by l sin n pi by a into x. The place of n is equal to 1, that is the value. Yes, and 2 pi means the 1 pi and 2 pi, and 3 pi means it is the value of above cycle crust, trough crust. But here it is a modulus of mod psi 1 square is equal to root value and square cancel 2 by a sin square n pi by a into x. The place of 1 substitution, that is called the value. So 2 pi is called the 180 degrees, and second one is 2 pi mod psi 2 square mod psi 3 square. So all are in the positive. Why? Because of it is a modulus value. So my dear students, from the diagram, so a diagram is the particle tends to move from one place to another place within the rigid balls A and B. So this is called the positive cycle, like a positive and below. And second one is, this is form of crust and trough only. It is 180 degrees. Another one is, it is forming crust, trough, crust. And third one is going inside here. And modulus value only the above cycle and continuously. So this is called, my dear students, probability in a particle in a one-dimensional potential box.